Hello, I'm gonna do a quick Ubuntu tutorial for you guys today. So if you want a shared space, I'm gonna call it a local server today. This is the easiest way to make one. There's many ways that I've seen on the internet, but a lot of them involve a lot of time, and that means you can't use the Ubuntu computer as a computer. Basically, it just has to be a server that's always running, which is not the best option. So the easiest option is to go into files here, right click it and click new folder, and then enter a folder name. So I've already got one over here, here that's working. So just right click it and click properties and click new local network share, these things, and click create share. I'm going to need to right click our desktop and click open terminal. And then we're going to need to type in two commands. I'll leave these in the description if you need them. So sudo apt install net-tools and click enter. Enter your password and click enter, and it will install it. As you can see, I've already got it installed, so it's not installed, but it'll take a bit longer for you. Sorry. And there you go. Once you've entered it, it'll give you IP address. You want this one right here, and that's going to be the IP address you use to connect to the server. So I'm going to move on to my Windows computer now, so we can connect to the server through there. Okay, so we're in Windows and we're in File Explorer and we're in this PC. What we need to do is right click anywhere and press add network location. Click next, click choose a custom network location and enter the location. Let's click next and it'll add it, so we now can just call this whatever we want. Okay, so I've chosen my name, click finish, and it'll open it just like this. So now if we make a brand new text document here, and then we can enter this up and just type whatever we want, and now let's go back to the Ubuntu machine. Okay, so we're on the Ubuntu machine. Let's go into the folder, and there you go. We've got our text document. So we can open this up and we can see our text is in there. We can even make changes and view them back on the Windows computer. Remember to save every time. Okay, so I'm on my iPad now, running iOS 14. It can be anything above iOS 11, and you just need the files up, open it. And now go to, on my iPad, click the three dots, click connect to a server and enter your IP address. And just connect as a guest, click next, and there we go. We have our two options, and you'll probably only have one option as you only have one server on this IP address. But you can make multiple servers like I have for different things. So now let's go into Linux 7, and there is our text test document, and there you go. We've got some text, and we can even make edits to this, and we can also create new folders and all that, and these are all visible through the other computer's real time. And I'm actually looking at my computer screen right now, and it even said United folder, and then it showed me typing it. So that is obviously super cool to see. So I'll show you again now. James, and click enter, and there you go, it's renamed. So that's how real time it is. We can also delete this, and what's amazing is that it's just the size of your computer. 500 gigabytes in my case. My Ubuntu computer is 500 gigabytes. So that is how you can make your own Linux server. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.